So there's an epidemic going on. Anxiety, depression, fear. It seems to be taking over the minds of many. And to be honest, we're becoming more aware that it's not that the problems of everyday life are getting harder. It's not that the problems around us are becoming more grand. It's that our minds are actually becoming weaker. You see, we're biologically programmed to follow the path of least resistance. So as we evolved as a society, we made easier and easier and easier ways to do things. This is good. This has great benefits, obviously. Hop in our car, get from point A to point B. We're cold, turn our thermostat on, But this programmed path of least resistance is also a fault in our human program, in our human functioning. This is because when you are faced with resistance, when you are faced up front with resistance, whether that is you want to start working out, that requires you to face resistance. There's a lot of things in life. You want to leave your job and go do something else. There's a lot of things in life that require you to face resistance. But if our biology is programming us to the path of least resistance, that can cause us to just do things that keep our willpower at bay and develop weak mental capacities. Therefore, problems seem more grand. So this practice not only is great for your body and your physiology, but it allows you to face resistance in a different way and use cognitive restructuring to change your perception of how you face stress and how stress plays a toll on you. So health psychologists are finding now in their research that it's not that it's the stress that degrades the body, that kills. It's your perception of the stress. It's your relationship to the stress. So in order to change the way stress affects you, you have to change the way you see it. That's why two people can go through the exact same situation, and one could come out using that situation to propel them forward and to develop them and to learn from mistakes and to grow, and one could use that situation to get buried, and just become weakened by it, because it's all about your perception. The Wim Hof method allows you to use what scientists call hormesis, which is basically use acute amounts of stress to therefore grow and expand your potential. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger.